guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. You guys like my hair? My oldest daughter, Stephanie, she was in the last video. She's gone back to college now, but she braided my hair for me. It's long and cute like I like it. So shouts out to her. Thank you, Fanny. All right, so we are here today. You can tell by the title because I'm about to make some like Asian garlic noodles. I've never made it before. I'm going off like I mixed a couple recipes together online. Hopefully it turns out. But we like to go to different restaurants that have garlic noodles. Like we always get them from like Fire Wings has some real good ones. I don't know if they have Fire Wings everywhere. Thang Long, Bomb, that's like a restaurant out here, but it's in the Bay Area that we go to. Bomb. So whenever I find something that I really like, I try to recreate it at home. That's why in that last video I kind of got that recipe from googling like different boiling crab sauces, because out of all the crab boil places, my favorite is boiling crab and hot and juicy crawfish. So I googled those and kind of made it my own, and that's where I came up with that sauce. And so now I'm gonna try to recreate some garlic noodles. So hopefully I feel like however they come out, they'll be edible, because you know I kind of know what I'm doing, but it might not be exactly the same, but I really hope it's the same. So if you guys want to see how this comes out, keep on watching. All right, so right now I'm in the middle of chopping the garlic, and I got a kid. Turn this down. I got a kid that comes in here because my kids like, what do you like?
Garlic.
You like garlic?
Yeah.
Raw garlic?
Yeah.
So we eat raw garlic sometimes for health purposes, keep your immune system built up. So I've been chopping the garlic, and we got him a little spoonful. That's how much you want?
Yeah.
You need your water?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
He's so excited he didn't even notice.
They be so excited every time. If the other ones was in here, they would too, but don't call them, because I don't feel like chopping up more. Here you go. Healthy kids. All right, so I got the pot of water on. It's not quite boiling yet, and I'm gonna continue to chop the garlic and then chop the onions. So this is how much garlic and onion I'm using. I don't know if I might chop up some more onion at the end, but for right now, this is what I'm doing with that. And I got the water over here starting to get hot. And then we'll go ahead. I got some oil and salt in the water. Then we'll boil the noodles. Okay, so the water's starting to boil. I'm just gonna do the whole thing. Let me pause this, hold on. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the whole thing. One of the recipes I looked at is like for 8 ounces of noodles, and of course I'm gonna need more than that. I have a big family. The other one I looked at was for 20 ounces, and this is 16. Let's see, is it 16? Yeah, it's 16, so I feel like this will be good. I'm gonna go ahead and break the noodles. Yeah, this is not a spoon, it's a knife, but it was the closest thing to me. And the knife still had like the garlic on it, so I feel like it'll, you know, give the noodles a little kickstart in flavor. You feel me? And in the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna cook with it. So I was gonna make like some salmon or something like that, but I decided to do this last minute. I bought all the stuff yesterday, and I told my kids to put the salmon in the refrigerator when they put the groceries up, but instead they put it in the freezer, so it's frozen. So I just pulled these out. So I'm gonna try these. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna fry them or bake them. It says you can do both. I'm sure it probably tastes better fried. And I'm not a big fried person. Like, I don't fry chicken and stuff like that. Barely ever. So, I mean, we can do for some fried. Okay, so we got the butter melting. I put a stick of butter. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the garlic and onion. It's hard to do everything with one hand, so bear with me. Okay, so I added that in there. And we're just gonna saute this a little bit. Oh my gosh, guys, it smells so good. Not the most healthy thing, but hey, you only live once. All right, so my noodles are done really fast because it's angel hair. Okay, so you guys hear that sizzling? All right. So I'm gonna put 2 spoonfuls of this oyster sauce. You guys are gonna hear a lot of noise in the background. Just ignore it. Oh, this stuff is thick. Okay, we're gonna put 2 spoons of fish sauce. Okay. Okay, then we're gonna put 2 spoons of soy sauce. Okay, now the brown sugar. Now what I'm going to do is put in some of my good old minced garlics for when I don't feel like chopping a bunch of garlic. That's what we do. It's my cheat. I'll put it at the end. This is what it looks like. It smells really, really, really good. Alright, so I'm going to get a little taste. See if it needs anything. Oops. It's good. It's definitely good. Not exactly the same. It's good though. Let me see. Do I want to put anything else? I think I'm going to put a little garlic powder. Uh-oh, we got a crying baby. What's going on? Want to coat them really good. Oh, they were sitting out. I got to break them apart. I ended up leaving less than half, but this is what we got so far. And we're gonna put the Parmesan on. I don't know how much it's supposed to be. The shrimps. And then the last step is gonna be to go ahead and add some, garnish it with the chopped green onion. Okay, so that's the finished product of that. Get real close in there. I just have the cooker on warm. so it'll stay nice and warm. Close that up while we cook these shrimps. Here's some, oops. Those are cooking. And I'll be back for a taste test. Plate. You see the noodles, the shrimp, and just a little roll. All right, so here is the taste test. Okay, so here is the taste test. I like it. It's missing something, so I have to perfect it for next time, but it's really good. Really, really, really good. Let's see what the kids think. Here's the little kids' plates. You guys ready to eat?
Yeah.
Come on. Taste test. You guys never cleaned this table off. So, tell me what you think.
I'm going to eat this shrimp.
All right. So there you have it, guys. The kids like it. I already asked my husband. He likes it. So, Courtney just took it. Courtney's still in the shower.
No, she got to get dressed.
And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And catch you guys in the next video. Bye.